On location in Orlando, Florida, installing an Aura boot vent on a TPO roof. Alright, and getting started, first you trace out where you're going to put your hole in the roof, and then you cut through the membrane insulation. And then eventually you cut through the roof deck to make your penetration. After your hole is cut, you must clean your area. Membrane must be prepared and ready. Then you place your Aura boot vent directly over the penetration. Make sure the penetration is centered in the throat of the vent. Next, we screw the flange to the roof deck. After the flange is secured, you're going to clean the boot again to make sure it's ready for welding. Lastly, you're going to weld the boot to the roof to ensure it's watertight. Well, that's it. The Aura boot vent is installed in just a few minutes. From all of us here at Active Ventilation Products, thank you for watching.